welcome to Jazz and Marty. I'm Marty, and we got a quick video for you today. So today we're going to be attempting to paint some sneakers. I headed to the store, found some $20 sneakers, and I didn't like the colorway, so we're going to change it. And if you were curious, this is the sneaker right here. I don't like this orange or this green, so you know what? We're going to paint this thing. Essentially turning it from this into this. Oh, you thought I was going to show you? I can't show you yet, baby. We gotta wait till the end of the video. But before we get into it, I always gotta ask this question. You subscribed? I know you subscribed, homie, but if you're not, please consider hitting that subscribe button and a little notify bell next to it so you can be notified every time we post new videos, blah, blah, blah. You know how this stuff goes, all right? Now, without any further ado, let's hop into this thing. So, here's what you need. Okay, y'all, so the first thing that you're going to need is leather paint, okay? Next, you're going to need 100% acetone. You're also going to need a SoftTip paintbrush, all right? Now, everything that I'm using in this video or something similar, I'll leave it down in the description box down below, so if you wanted to grab it or check it out, everything will be down there, okay? You're also going to need rubber gloves. Not the medical kind, but the cleaning kind, like the yellow ones, okay? Finally, you may need a face mask or a respirator, or like do this near an open window because you don't want to be breathing the fumes in from the acetone. And the next part is completely optional. You may need masking tape or painter's tape, just in case to help you not get paint on things that you don't want to get paint on, or it helps you make your lines super crisp, okay? Now, without any further ado, let's get this thing started. Okay, first thing you want to do is glove up and grab your acetone and your cotton rounds. Now, make sure you're using the rubber gloves, like, you know, the kitchen gloves. I used some they seem like latex gloves. Acetone ate right through them, all right? But once you grab your acetone and your cotton rounds, then you want to remove the paint off of the areas that you do not want paint on. You can also use it to remove, like, if your shoe is shiny, remove that top coating off of it. Okay, once you got all your unwanted paint off, now you want to grab your leather paint and you want to start painting the areas that you want a different color. Now, if you can also use masking tape to cover the areas that you don't want to get paint on. Okay, so after adding about 2 to 3 layers of paint, this is what I came out with. I don't hate it. I actually like this a lot. But I do want to add another color to this, so let's see if we can add some red. Okay, next I grabbed my paint and I started to paint all of the parts that I wanted to be red. Then I realized I didn't like the way the shade of the red looked, so I used my acetone to remove the red, and then I repainted everything back white. Alright, now that's pretty much it. Let's check out the finished product. Wow, you made it to the end of the video. Welcome. Alright, so without any further ado, here is the finished product. Bang. Now, I like this colorway way better than the orange and green. Like I said, the red didn't really work out for me, so I took that off and I just reapplied here, added a couple more layers, and it looks nice and crisp and clean to me. I really enjoyed this process. It was kind of therapeutic. All right, now that's pretty much it. Now, if you like this video, please consider hitting that like and that share button. Head over to the Jazz and Marty Facebook page, where also some updates on DIY and craft videos. We're not just on Facebook. Follow us on Instagram. We also on TikTok. We everywhere, y'all. You just gotta look for us. We also have a podcast called the Funny Acting Podcast. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. We also have a children book. I'll leave that in the description box down below. And then finally, what the hell is this? You'll find out in our next video. All right. Now, like that, this will be the end.